Hello, Jane Cleland here. How do I transition from one character's point of view to another without confusing my reader? Well, there are several approaches. Start a new chapter. You could also have a section break within a chapter, and you indicate that with 3 asterisks in the center so that you have the ending of one section, 3 asterisks centered, and then you begin the new section, and that could be with a different point of view. If you want to have one point of view transition to another point of view within the chapter without showing a break, perhaps to just ensure the forward momentum of the action, you can do it with a transition word like meanwhile. And I'll read you an example. This is from A Convenient Marriage, The Convenient Marriage by Georgette. And we have Charlotte came to the support of her sister. You should not snap your fingers, Horry, but you're quite in the right. Lord Rule does very well for himself in getting a Winwood for his bride. Meanwhile, Miss Winwood, pausing only for a moment on the staircase to calm the agitation, blah, 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 blah. So we have switched from one sister, Charlotte's point of view, talking to her sister, Horry, to another sister's point of view, Miss Winwood, who is about to approach a boyfriend. Meanwhile, one word shifts perspective. Now, I must just put a little asterisk note here that this book was written in 1934 and styles have changed. I think probably the better solution is a section break within the chapter or start a new chapter. How about you? What do you think works? What do you think works well in switching points of view without confusing readers? Put them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this tip had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.